Hello everyone, myself L. Ponmari. I am going to present a PPT about AI in healthcare. Objectives of the AI in healthcare is symptomology affecting us in hypervariable, current practice guidelines, the variability of experience in medicine, the translatability and two-way outcome tracking suffers. This can lead to suboptimal handling of the disease. Patient's outcome is unpredictable. In machine learning, machines is made to learn the various parameters including symptoms, behaviors, biochemical and pathogenic variables, among others. With help of special designed software, the computer can develop effective learnings. AI needs machine learns, facilitates heightened diagnostic sensitivity, specificity and treatments. Innovations in medicals and biological engineers. In 1950s and earlier, artificial kidney, X-ray, electrocardiograms, cardio pacemakers, etc. are innovated in the field of medical and biological engineering. In 1960s, heart valve replacement, intraocular lens, ultrasounds, vascular grafts, blood analysis and processings are invented. In 1970s, computer assisted tomography, balloon catheter, endoscopy, etc. are invented. In 1980s, magnetic resonance imaging, laser surgery, vascular grafts, recombinant therapeutics are invented. Present day, genomic sequence and microarrays, positions, emissions, tomographies, image guide surgeries are invented. New generations of medical technology products are combinations of different technologies which leads to the crossing of borders between traditional categories of medical products such as medical devices, pharmaceutical products or human tissues. This is the concept of converging technologies. Now we are going to see about artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is use of computer to model intelligent behaviors with minimal human interventions. Machines and computer programs are capable of problems solving and learning like a human brain. Natural language processing and translation, pattern recognition, visual perception and decision making. Machine learning is one of the most exciting area for development of computational approaches to automatically make sense of data. Advantages of machines can retain information, become smarter over time. Machines is not susceptible to sleep deprivations, distractions, information overload and short-term memory loss. The application of AI in medicines has two main branches. One is visual branch and secondly physical branch. Highly repetitive work empower doctors, help them deliver faster and more accurate augmentations, augment the professionals offerings them expertise and assistance. The deep learning device will not replace clinicians. The virtual branch. The virtual components represented by machine learnings, machine algorithms that improves learning through experience. Unsupervised, supervised reinforcement learning. Benefits of artificial intelligence. AI can definitely assist physicians, early diagnosis, predictions of outcomes of the disease as well as the treatments, reduce diagnosis and therapeutic errors. AI system extracts useful information from a large patient populations, learning and self-correcting abilities to improve its accuracy based on feedbacks. Now we are going to see about a physical branch. It includes physical objects, medical devices, sophisticated robots for delivery of care or robots for surgery. This is the picture about the use of robot to deliver treatment. Growth drivers of AI in healthcare. Increasing individual healthcare expenses, larger geriatric populations, increasing global health care expenditures. AI will help medical practitioners efficiently achieve their task with minimal human interventions, a critical factor in meeting increasing patient demands. Potential challenges. Development cost, integration issues, data privacy and security, data exchange, state and federal regulations, rapid and iterative process of software updates commonly used to improve existing products and services. In future in India, collaborations between medical and technical institutions will take place. Remove firewall of clinical loads and hope of IPR. Current status of medical records. Incommunicable silos of wasted informations for the health. Data needed to be captured in real time, and institutions should promote their transformations into intelligible process. Simplification, readability, and utilities of sets. Each results must be questioned for its clinical applicability. Aim of increasing their clinical value and decreasing health cost. Electronic medicals or health records are essential tool for personalized medicines. Thank you.